this video, we're going to be looking at the ternary operator for Python. And I'm typically a JavaScript-based developer. And it was pretty interesting looking at how they do it, but it's not that hard. And there's two ways I want to show you how you could use it. It's really the same way, but I think the second way, I don't know, it's kind of a cool trick. So let's start with some value. And let's just start with 10. So we'll have a general approach right here. And so we're just going to print out this expression right here. Feel free to put whatever you want to in here. And we'll do if some value is greater than 10, else print, nope. And so this reads like a sentence, right? Print, this statement here, if the value is greater than 10, else print nope. So let's go ahead and do this. And we see that we get nope because it's, obviously not larger than 10. So if we move this up to 11 here, though, close this out, we would have pretty big man. So that's pretty cool, right? We could put a function here, or we could, do whatever else we need to. But this was kind of interesting syntax I saw. So we could also assign values. So let me go ahead and I'll just comment this out right here. Actually, I didn't want to do that. Do this right here, and you can assign values. It's pretty cool how they do it. So we're going to assign the text to whoa if some value is greater than 10, else, and then this is the interesting thing. You don't do text equals, right? Because you've already created the variable right here. You just come in and then just put the alternative text you want, which is pretty dope. And then we're going to print this down below to show a proof of work that it's actually doing its thing. Close this on out. And we see that it says, whoa. So if I wanted to come down here and do, come up there and do 10, and I run this again, we see it says pretty small, my dude. So it's pretty cool that you could have something where you could just run a functions here if you want, or do whatever you need in one line. But also you could assign variables in a very legible, sentence-friendly kind of way. So this is how you do a ternary operator with Python. If you like what I'm doing, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.